Evening, Phil. Pretty good workout here today. Let's go through each lift. I agree that first rep looks really quite good right here. No squat morning, just down and up. Really nice. Second rep also looks pretty good. Little bit more squat morning, and that continues to progress even more and more squat morning as the set goes on and you get fatigued. But the fact that you can do it for that first rep, that certainly is encouraging. Yeah, lots of squat morning. Yeah, you did it though. You got it done. I want to go back to this part right about here. Look at this. See how you're not standing up all the way. You need to stand up all the way in between reps. That allows you to rest at least a little bit. You should be fully locked out. So try to work on that some. I agree with you. I think that set, I think it looked easier than your last workout, which is really fantastic. Regarding your question, 2 sets versus 3. Honestly, 2 sets was a mistake. it was supposed to be 3. That 2 sets I think carried over from when we did a light day. That being said, I think starting next week, what we'll do is we'll do one top set, a new PR top set, and then follow that up with 2 back off sets at roughly 90% or so. That way you get a little bit of intensity and a little bit of volume. The back offsets will allow you to work on technique a little bit as well. So the hip movement here on your presses looks pretty darn good. However, you're just throwing your hips forward and then pressing. What you really want to do is throw your hips forward, bring them back to neutral, and that's what initiates the bar movement up. You have good hip displacement, but it's time to go forward, back, and then press the bar up. You do it a little bit. I just wanted to see it more dramatic than that. Good shrug. Good shrug. Good placement. Ooh. Nice layback. Got it done. But if you throw your hips forward, then let them come back as you're initiating your press, you're going to get a lot more bounce out of this thing. Deadlift, generally better. Generally improved. Yeah, your hips might have been just a tad low on that first rep, but it's cleaned up by the second rep. Looking good, looking real good, solid and strong, man. Nice, nice, nice. Now here on these next 2 reps, I think you need to get tight, squeeze your back tighter before you start your pull. See, I didn't really see a strong setup in your back there. This one I don't see it either. I would be yelling, squeeze tight, squeeze your back, and that doesn't really happen on that rep. You do finish it, albeit with a little hitch. And a hitch is when you re-bend your knees. And right here, you see that happen? Your knees extend, extend, and then bend. That's called a hitch, something that you want to avoid, especially if you ever plan on entering any kind of powerlifting competition, because that would be a disqualification of the lift. Overall, really good work here. It's definitely heavy. However, you are handling it really, really well. I think this set, it's probably the weekend recovery, but this workout certainly looked better than your last heavy workout. So time to recover, get your recovery workout done, and then let's crush it again at the end of the week. See you then.